Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make a wall hanging, or you can say the calligraphy frame, and we are using the Artline resin for this project. So here I just primed the board first, and now I am mixing the resin. You can take for this is a 18 to 20 inches board, and now I am taking 150 gram of resin and hardener mixed together very well, and now I am adding the color. I was going to mix the ivory and beige color to make my desired color what I want to pour, and after mixing the color nicely in all over the resin, I am going to pour it on the board. So we need to pour the resin on the balanced frame or balanced base. We can balance the base with the help of the balancing tool to avoid the dripping of the resin. And now leave it for 24 hours, and next day we are going to add the molding paste in the piping bag and cut the piping bag, you can say ½ inch. Now let's drag down all the molding paste into the piping bag and start working on the base. After adding the lines, let's give it a good texture and give it a good smoothness on the above side, so it will look merged and balanced. You can use any spatula or ice cream stick or anything, a toothpick also, to make this texture. You can make any texture on it as you want. If you want a pointed or the circlish or anything, you can give it a texture and leave it to dry for 24 hours, and then we will go for the next step on it. Here I'm taking the gold leafing glue and apply it all over the molding paste that is dried for 24 hours, and now I'm just gluing that up and apply it all over the mold with the help of the brush and spreading it all over the molding paste. Now here I started applying the gold leaves all over the glue and just press it so nicely and very soft-handed. And then after applying all of it, you need to leave it for minimum 1 to 2 hours, and then start it rubbing and cleaning all the extra excess gold leaves from the board, and the remaining will stick on their proper place where you want. If you feel anything is removed from your mold, or sorry, from your molding paste, so you can use the glue again to apply it, or if you want a quick solution, you can use the marker, golden marker or acrylic marker, to cover that piece or the portion. It will just blend in and don't look too much dirty. Now it's time for mixing and pouring. So here I am mixing the resin and adding the crystals, golden crystals, in a cup, and now we will need the resin to grease them easily and nicely. After greasing them, they will stick with each other, so we can just put it on their proper position, and we need to leave it also for 24 hours to get it dry. Then we need to start pouring. If we start pouring after putting these crushed glass or stones on the board, the resin and the color is going to be mixed in the stones if we pour it before drying. So you need to give all the steps all the times to get the finish and the exact look. Even if you don't give it the proper time and proper steps, it will look dirty and messy. So you need to give it 24 hours to dry, and then need to pour the resin again. For here I just mixed two colors, the light blue color and the dark blue color, and I poured the dark blue color on the outer corner and give it a blend nicely, and then added the light blue color all over it, and then mix it, give it a good, like this, give it a merging look, so we can achieve the eye look easily. Now I just add 1 drop of resin in the middle of the circle. It has no boundaries, so you need to be careful while pouring. It should be thick. Now again I am taking the Artline resin that is so crystal clear, so pretty effect is giving. I am just loving their resin, and if you want to buy this resin also for the clear and shiny look and bubble free effect, non-yellowing, then you can use my code FMArtistry for their discount on all of the resin. And also you can find their website link in my bio, and also let me know if you buy that. their resin. How do you like it or not? Otherwise, you are definitely gonna like it, guys. It's just amazing, amazing. They have so good formula, like they are auto bubble free. They don't create so much bubbles while mixing, and after giving it a stay of after mixing, give it a stay of 5 to 10 minutes, all bubbles get disappeared like you have put it in the bubble burster machine. So you definitely have to try this for the crystal clear look. Also, its working time is 60 minutes. That is so beneficial for all the resin artists who wants to work in the detail and long process of the resin. And this working time is so good. You can easily do all the linings and the detailings easily. I'm just falling in love with their resin. If you also want to enjoy these movements while working, go grab your Artline resin right now and use my code Fatma15 for 15% discount and thanks me later. And you can find their website link in my bio very easily. Now let's just start working and mixing the resin, and you can see with your eyes how bubble free they have the resin, and I am just falling in love with it. How much fast you are going to mix, they are not going to create the bubbles. The lesser the bubbles, they are creating so super formula, and you can see super crystal clear effect it is giving. And if you put it for 5 to 10 minutes after mixing, it will just look like a crystal clear thing. Okay, so now I just started pouring it all over the board, and you can see the finished look. It's so amazing, and you will gonna say it by yourself that it's amazing. The resin is amazing. So after curing all of the sides, I am going to add some golden paint as I used in my old videos. You just need to spray the golden paint in the glass and take out all their golden liquid, and now use the brush to apply it on all over the sides of the crystals to give it a golden effect on the corners and on some crystals also, to look like a merging effect. And do let me know in the comment section, do you like my process videos and all the details I provide you? And if you have any other problem, you can also share with me in the comment section and I will guide you in detail. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for the latest updates. Stay tuned for the new ideas I am going to deliver in the further next videos. For that, stay tuned. Share the videos with your new resin artist friends for giving them the knowledge. For then, take care. Allah Hafiz. See you in the next videos with so many techniques and so many new ideas. Bye bye.